Hello, my sweet viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a very touching story for you. Listen carefully, and at the end of this story, you will also learn some useful English phrases you can use in daily life. So, let's start the story. Anna was a happy and lively young woman. People around her always said she brought color into their lives. She laughed a lot, and her laughter was so warm that it could make even a sad person smile. She loved her family, her friends, and she had many dreams about her future. Her life was full of joy and love, like a happy song that never seemed to end. But one night, everything changed. It was raining very hard. The rain was so heavy that it was difficult to see anything clearly outside. Anna was driving home, and because of the heavy rain, the road looked blurry. Suddenly, a bright light from another car appeared in front of her. Before she could do anything, she felt her heart pound in fear. The tires made a loud, sharp screech on the wet road. Then there was a huge crash as the cars hit each other, and Anna's car shook so hard that it felt like everything around her had broken. Then, there was silence. When people came running, they saw Anna lying inside the broken car. She was badly hurt. The ambulance came quickly, and she was taken to the hospital. Anna stayed in the hospital for many weeks. She was in a coma, lying on the bed, not opening her eyes, not moving at all. There were machines around her making soft beeping sounds. But what hurt the most was that no one came to visit her. Her family didn't come. Her friends didn't come. Her room stayed cold and lonely, without anyone to hold her hand or talk to her. One day, Anna's eyelids slowly moved. She opened her eyes, and the first thing she saw was the plain white ceiling above her. Her throat was very dry, and her voice was weak when she whispered, "Where am I?" As she became a little stronger, Anna started to feel desperate to see her family. She picked up the phone with shaking hands and called them. Tears filled her eyes as she begged, "Please, come and see me. I need you." Her sister answered the call, but her voice was cold and distant. "Anna, we are busy. Take care of yourself." Then the line went dead. Anna stared at the phone, frozen. Slowly, tears began rolling down her face, and she whispered to herself, "I'm completely alone." A few days later, the doctor came into her room. His face looked serious and sad. He sat beside her and spoke carefully. "Anna, I'm very sorry. Your legs are badly damaged. You may never walk again." It felt like Anna's entire world crashed down at that moment. She screamed, a sound full of pain and anger. "No! No! My life is over." After that, Anna completely broke down. She stopped eating, letting the food trays stay untouched until they went cold. She stopped talking to anyone. She just stared at the ceiling with empty, hopeless eyes. The doctor shook his head sadly and told the nurses, "She has given up. There is no hope for her recovery." But one young nurse didn't agree. Her name was Mia. She had a very kind heart, and she couldn't stand seeing Anna suffer like this. Mia started spending extra time with her, even after her shift ended. One evening, Mia sat by Anna's side, held her cold hand, and said softly, "Anna, you are not alone. I'm here. I will stay with you." Anna turned her head slowly, her voice weak and rough. "Why? No one else cares." Mia squeezed her hand and said with determination, "Because I believe in you. Don't give up." From that day, Mia began helping Anna every single day. She worked on Anna's legs, doing exercises that were very painful. Anna cried many times. "It hurts so much. I can't do this," she screamed in frustration. But Mia stayed calm and firm. "It's okay, Anna. Stay strong. One day, you will thank yourself for not quitting." The process was slow, painfully slow. Weeks turned into months, but there was hardly any improvement. The doctor eventually told Mia, "You should stop wasting your time. She will never walk again. You are only giving her false hope." Mia didn't listen. Her belief in Anna never wavered. I won't give up on her, she replied quietly but strongly. After a long time, Mia received an opportunity to go to another city to study advanced nursing. It was a big step for her career. She didn't want to leave Anna, but she also knew she couldn't miss this chance. Before leaving, Mia sat with Anna and said gently, "I have to go for 1 year. My friend Nurse Jenny will take care of you and continue the exercises. Please, Anna, don't lose hope. Keep trying." Anna nodded slowly. There was still fear in her eyes, but now there was also a small spark of hope. "Thank you, Mia. I will try," she whispered. 1 year passed. Mia finally returned to the hospital, eager to see Anna. She rushed down the hallways, her heart pounding. But when she reached Anna's room, the bed was empty. Panic gripped her. Where is Anna? What happened to her? Mia cried out to a passing nurse. Then, behind her, a familiar voice called out, strong and full of life. "Mia!" Mia turned around, and froze. Anna was standing. She was swaying a little, but she was standing on her own 2 feet. Her face was shining with tears of happiness. "Mia! Look at me! I can walk," she said, her voice trembling with joy. Mia gasped, her own eyes filling with tears. She covered her mouth with her hand, completely overwhelmed. "Anna, this is a miracle." Even the doctor, who had once given up hope, stood speechless. "I was wrong," he admitted quietly. "You never gave up on her, and that's why she made it." Because of Mia's dedication and kindness, the hospital promoted her to head nurse. It was their way of honoring her incredible hard work and faith. Later, Anna came to see Mia. Her walk was careful, but every step was full of victory. She handed Mia a small, beautifully wrapped box. "This is for you, Mia," Anna said, her voice filled with emotion. "You gave me back my life." Mia opened the box. Inside was a delicate golden bracelet. 3 simple words were engraved on it: "Never lose hope." Mia's hands shook as tears streamed down her face. She hugged Anna tightly. Anna whispered softly, her voice trembling with gratitude, "When my own family left me, you became my family. I will never forget what you did for me." Sometimes, the world gives up on you. But one person's kindness and belief can completely change your life. No matter how dark things seem, never lose hope, because even miracles need time. Alright, here are some daily use sentences for you to learn and practice. Don't give up. Meaning, keep trying, even when it's hard. Please, come and see me. Meaning, a request for someone to visit you. Stay strong. Meaning, be brave and don't lose courage. I can't do this. Meaning, feeling too tired, upset, or weak to continue. You gave me back my life. Meaning, you helped me start living happily again. Never lose hope. Meaning, always believe that things can get better. I hope this story touched your heart. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next story. Thanks for watching.